Hi guys, I'm Rich Driver, ICI Homes, Asturia in Odessa, Florida. Today I'd like to introduce you to our Santa Maria Craftsman model. This home starts with a two-door double entry. Immediately entering, the flex room greets you on the left, which then leads opening into the kitchen, eat-in kitchen area, and gathering room. So the gathering room opens up to a beautiful covered lanai that has a double pond view and sits right on the preserve. The master sits on the back of this house as well with a view of pond and preserve. Laundry room oversized, which leads into a 3-car tandem garage. So guys, one of my favorite features in this Santa Maria is the 2-story open spindle staircase. This leads up to an oversized game room, 3 oversized bedrooms, and 2 full baths. I'd love to show you this Santa Maria or any of our other inventory homes, as well as home sites that most have pond and preserve view.